West, west. Yes. Yeah.
If you would will be, then it will become different.
Yeah. I think this is correct. These two things you can have. And monitoring, you are going to have monitoring, regular monitoring. You have manifest, right?
Regular monitoring and instruction.
And manifest, no? They do have manifest. How many kgs they have disposed of? They have manifest. Right?
They're supposed to be there.
Yeah. That is must. Regular monitoring.
Waste management block, waste block.
Yeah, we say manifest, waste manifest.
Here you put inspection.
Sorry?
Inspection.
Regular monitoring. Regular monitoring, we can say.
Okay.
Inspection monitoring. Even I would put in the. I mean,
Impact is very low. Is won't impact the environment.
Yeah, then one. Correct.
But A is what?
A is, 1 week impact will be there, or 1 year we can put. Even I can put 1 year. Food waste may.
Daily basis will be happening.
No, impact of this waste. I think I'll take 1 year. For hazardous waste, what is hazardous waste? You don't have any hazardous waste, right? Other than soil waste. Soil waste is hazardous waste. What they're going to.
Also, I think we put in the second category, second part.
Here?
Yeah. So that is also non-hazardous. Soil is not hazardous.
Topsoil. Remove topsoil.
Topsoil and what we call sabka and topsoil.
SABKA. Sabka and
not H. There's no H.
Sabka. Then?
And discarded soil.
Discard.
Discarded.
DISCAR, discarded soil.
Yeah.
ETC. Right? Sabka soil. So.
Anything existing, there is a construction material is there? That's it. Or is it a barren land?
Can you ask online?
Online thing, when you clean the site, you have any existing construction waste at the site or nothing? It's all barren land.
It's all just the land. There is no previous construction or previous facilities, anything, nothing is there.
It is all barren land only, right? Nothing nothing. Now, question to you, how you are going to dispose of this soil? Where?
Yeah, this contractor has to answer that they have some arrangement with some other party with the like license or something. This contractor has to answer on this.
At present, what you are doing? Where you are you are collecting at the same site only?
No. Vimal?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just checking with the construction manager, no?
Ask him to join the session, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think this is a very important point. This is a critical point. Out of all environmental impact for this project, we have to address it very, very carefully. Yeah.
There is nothing there.
I think we have investment plan is there, I can say. But that will not help. But
nothing is there. What you do?
No, they must have something.
You actually decide it now before delay.
Regular monitoring.
This will be a big impact now.
This is impact. This is big impact. I would go for major, and impact is not less than 10 years. I put C. Let us put C, right? For now, and then we have to make define.
Yeah.
Define or what?
Disposal area.
Or ensure.
The soil disposal area.
Ensure.
Not sure. You have to not ensure soil disposal area to be designated soil disposal area to be defined.
Okay.
And necessary approval and NOC to be obtained.
Okay.
One is thing you have to
Contractor's construction manager is online now in session now. We can ask him.